I no longer put my shop on holiday mode in Etsy, and here's why. Okay, just had a brilliant week away with the family. It's the first time we've taken our children abroad, and we went to Norway for the week, and it was absolutely incredible. The holiday of our, holiday of dreams. Really, really good fun. Some cool memories built for us and the children, I think. Really, really enjoyable.
You feeling?
And this year I tried something a little bit different with my Etsy shop. In the past I've put it on holiday mode, which basically pauses your shop, which is fine. So put it on holiday mode means you're not going to get any sales. But what I did this year was I didn't put it on holiday mode, and instead I just increased the processing time. I put a note on my shop that I was going to be away for a week, and the day I was going to be back, and I'd be posting stuff then. I also went above that as well, and every time I got an order, I would send them a little message saying that I was away, where we were, and when we'd be back, and I hope that wasn't a problem, and if it was, I could refund their money. And this seems to go down really well. I've been self-employed. Out of the kind of 22 years I've been working, I think I've been employed for 3 of them, the rest of the time's been self-employed. I've not really ever had any holiday pay, so it's not something I'm really used to. But coming back from holiday this time, it was really nice to have a batch of orders ready to go. I spent today, got back 3 this morning, but got up nice and early, packaged all my orders up, and then shipped them. But I had over the period that I've been on holiday, which was really, really nice. Obviously I put in the work before to build the stock, to make sure I had stock levels that could cope with us going on holiday. But yeah, it's been really nice to know that I've actually earned some money while I was away to try and offset the costs of a holiday. I put a little note in with each parcel saying just thank you for bearing with me because we were on holiday, and my packet of seeds that I always give as well. So I think this is a better way for me in the future. I will not be using the holiday mode feature on Etsy. I will be increasing my processing time on all my deliveries. I've got 3 different profiles for delivery. I have one for my trays, one for my scoops, and then I have a free profile for some of the other stuff like toolboxes and baskets that I normally ship without adding postage, although postage is obviously included in what I sell it for. So I just altered the processing time on each one of those and went away. And then came back and sorted out my orders when I got back, and hopefully it won't affect my reviews too much and hasn't affected my kind of listings within Etsy as well. So that's my tip for the top, is to not go on holiday mode, increase your processing time, deal with it when you get back. Obviously this doesn't work if you're going away for a long period of time, but just for a week or 2 weeks, I think it would work really, really well. So let me know what you do with your Etsy shop or shops that are similar. How do you handle when you're going away? Do you get someone in to do the work for you, or do you just kind of make sure there's a note and people see it and go from there? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.